In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up R in Cursor and use AI to generate and run ggplot code. We'll start by creating a clean workspace. Make a new project folder anywhere you like, then open that folder directly in Cursor so all your files and paths stay organized. Inside Cursor, create a new file and give it an .r extension. This tells the editor to treat it as an R script, which unlocks language features like code formatting and linting. To get rich tool tips and proper syntax highlighting, you may need to connect Cursor to an active R session. Open a terminal inside Cursor and start an R session if one isn't already running. Next, press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette, search for and select R. Attach Active Terminal, and let Cursor link to the R process you just opened. Once attached, you should notice better inline help and colorized syntax. If you're on macOS, the shortcut may use CMD instead of Control depending on your key map. Now let's tap into AI-assisted coding to speed things up. In your R file, press Ctrl+K to bring up the AI prompt box. Choose your preferred model. For example, you can select a model like Claude 3.5 Sonnet. In the prompt, dear son, describe exactly what you want. Something like, write me a ggplot demo in R works well. Click Generate and you'll receive ready-to-run code. Before you execute it, glance through the output to understand what each section does. For instance, loading packages, creating a data frame, and building a ggplot object, so you can adapt it to your needs and avoid unnecessary dependencies. When it's time to run and view plots inside Cursor, there's one key detail. Wrap plot objects in print so they reliably display. In interactive R consoles, ggplot often auto-prints, but inside script execution and some editors, explicit print ensures the plot renders. For example, if the AI generated a variable named p that holds your ggplot, call print p at the end. Do the same for each plot you want to see. Then run your script from Cursor, either by sourcing the file in the R terminal or executing selected lines. You should see your plots appear as expected. That's it. You've created an R project in Cursor, enabled helpful language features, used AI to draft code, and made sure plots display by wrapping them in print. Save your work, iterate on the prompt to refine the visuals, and enjoy a faster, cleaner R workflow in Cursor.